All right, first video of 2021. It's Sunday, January 3rd, and I think the next project on this car is going to be the rockers and the floor. I really need to get those out of the way, and I also need to get this door to line up a lot better. You can see up there the fender's bent, it looks like, and if you open the door, which doesn't want to open now, well, I think it's locked. This is how the doors lock on these things. There we go. Anyhow, what I was saying, the fender's bent there, the check strap's ripped out, so I'm thinking this door was hyperextended at some point in its life, and I don't know if the door's tweaked or if it's just the hinges. I've loosened these off, and there's no adjustment there, so it's got to be in here. So I've got to figure that out yet. And yeah, next is rocker panels and floors, I think. As you can see here, I have some weight reduction going on. A fair bit actually, but all of these braces are still good, surprisingly. So I think what I need to do is take these sill plates off for starters. And now it's going to start raining. So I'm going to get my screwdriver and start taking these off. Okay, so there's the first one off, and actually it's not too bad up top here. I should be able to salvage a lot of this and maybe just start my rockers when I bend up my new ones, start them down in this area here. I'll have to do the inners first, but that's not bad at all in there. And rust can be expected on these cars because they're made with really bad metal. See, oh yeah, I got my work cut out for me there. Put that back. So I'm going to get this rear sill plate taken off. Okay, so there's the rear sill plate off, and as you can see, it's much the same. Good and solid, it's just dirty and stuff in there. Let me see. Underneath the back seat, doesn't look horrible. So now I got to get to that other side there. But of course, the rain's coming down. So hey, lucky me. Okay, so all the sill plates are off. And you know what? Luckily, I think I can salvage this portion of the rockers and just build from here down like I was saying. But first, I'll have to get in there and build my inner rockers. All this just needs to be cleaned. It's all really good. You know, once I get the rockers done, I'll have something to weld new floor pans to. But I think that's really a necessity. I really need to get that done next, because Yeah, I need to find out where water's coming in. Luckily though, these doors are really nice. Other than the dents. So that'll be next. I need to get some sheet metal, some cutting discs for my grinder, and then I can start going to town. Bend up some rockers. I'll have to fix. It's bent here a little bit. That's fine. Looks like there's a seam here, so I'll build them to here, then I can build this piece separately, which also shouldn't be too hard to do. And then we'll move on to the trunk area. Okay, so I got those sill plates sprayed down with some wheel cleaner. I'm gonna see how that works. And once I get them cleaned up, I'll put them away for safekeeping. They're not in perfect condition, but they're not horrible either. You know, they got some rot going on, but nothing major. Good enough for what I'm building. They're quickly cleaned up. I'll spend more time in them later, but the anodizing's all crap on them, so we'll see what we can do with these. But for now, I'm going to put them away for safekeeping until we need to put them back on, which hopefully won't be too long. So I guess what's next is I'll take these seats out. Maybe take the door panels and stuff off and get this rubber mat stripped out of here, and then we can start cutting and making new floor pans and welding and actually getting some things done for once. So that'll be in the next video. We'll start pulling all this out. So until next time, stay tuned.